Only just be God.
Yeah. I'm the future of this shit, I'm tryna hold it down. On this mic, I go round for round. This music in my heart, man, it's in my soul. If it wasn't here, I would surely go cold. With a runny nose, I would never pose. I'm too smart for this shit, man, and I know it shows. I just need a chance to do my damn thing. I'm tryna be in a draft pick so things could change. Cause I'm ashamed of my fucking people. We fight and we fight, man, we all equal. No man should have a title to his name, cause we all living like rats just trapped up in this cage. You niggas so blinded, and me, I see straight through the disguises. Cause I'm like Neo in his prime, man. I live hip hop, that's enough. So would I ever stop? Guess not. I'm too hot for this shit. I'm too cold for your bitch. But if she wanted to come take a dip, I'm sure she would. And she would come take a sip with the kid. Cause I'm so nice, I'm so ill, I'm so mean. I'm just living out my dreams. I'm going straight to the Navy, finna get the dough. Haha, I'm finna get the dough. Hell no, did he just say that? I'm finna get the dough. I'm going to the Navy, finna get the dough. I'm trying to do my mom's right. I'm trying to get my family straight. It's been a long time coming. I guess I got a date with success. And she's well dressed like me, no stress. I live good, eat good, smoke good. Everything is all good. Everything is all good. Cause my flow got straight. I told you niggas I would, but hey, you ain't wanna take a chance on me. But guess what, homie? Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm back at it again, man. Back at it. Yeah. Yeah.